Apple's next big redesign might not be what fans expected. A newly leaked case render for the iPhone 17 Pro has raised questions after a key design inconsistency was spotted. The image, shared by leaker Majin Buu, shows a camera bar that appears shorter than expected, stopping before the right edge of the phone. This contradicts previous CAD-based leaks, which depicted the camera bar stretching across the entire width of the device. After users pointed out the difference, Majin Buu acknowledged the discrepancy, suggesting that there may have been a mistake in the render. He reassured that the final design would align with the CAD leaks, confirming that the camera bar will indeed span the width of the phone's back. While it's not unusual for early leaks to have errors, this has still sparked discussions about the accuracy of recent renders. The iPhone 17 Pro's camera setup is expected to bring some notable upgrades. Reports suggest it will include a 48-megapixel wide camera, 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 12-megapixel telephoto camera with a periscope lens that supports 5x optical zoom. In addition to the lenses, the camera bar will likely house an LED flash, a microphone, and a vertically mounted LiDAR scanner. Apple seems to be keeping the familiar triangular lens arrangement that has been used in its Pro models, even as the module itself shifts to a new layout. This means while the overall appearance may be changing, the positioning of the lenses should still be recognizable to users. Not everyone is excited about this new design. Some users have already voiced their dislike for the rear camera bar, calling it unattractive. Others feel it closely resembles the camera setup seen on Google's Pixel devices, arguing that it lacks originality. Of course, design preferences are always subjective, and what some find unappealing, others may see as a fresh and modern approach. The shift to a full-width camera bar appears to be a deliberate effort by Apple to create a more streamlined look. Instead of individual lenses grouped together in a cluster, this design brings a more uniform appearance across the back of the phone. Whether this is an improvement or not will ultimately come down to how consumers respond once the device is officially released. For those hoping that this design is just an early rumor, the chances of Apple making major changes seem slim. Multiple leaks from different sources have all pointed to a similar design, indicating that this could be Apple's final choice. Case manufacturers often receive early CAD models so they can start preparing accessories ahead of launch, and these leaked files have consistently shown a full-width camera bar. While some minor tweaks could be made before the official announcement, the overall look seems to be set. With the iPhone 17 series still months away from its expected September release, it's important to remember that early leaks don't always tell the full story. That said, Apple's past design leaks have often been accurate, especially when backed by CAD renders. The official unveiling will confirm all the details, but based on the information available now, Apple appears committed to this new design. As with a major design change, opinions are likely to be divided. Some users might appreciate the sleek, modern approach, while others may prefer the traditional camera layout seen on previous models. If this design becomes official, users may grow to like it over time. Apple's past design changes were often met with doubt, but later gained acceptance. Whether this move is good or not, Apple's choices tend to influence the industry, and others may follow. What do you think? Do you prefer the full-width camera bar or the classic setup? Share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.